Hey guys, this is Ron Trotter again with RE/MAX, and I want you to step into this stunning new construction property in the heart of Winter Park. This open concept is really something that's functional. It's not just about functionality in terms of being separate from the family, but no, this allows everyone to participate in food, participate in congregation, and be together as a family. Don't you love these Thermador appliances and how they mix the pine green color of these cabinets with the off-white of the larger cabinets, and they have the stacked cabinets on top with the brushed gold. Excellent, excellent kitchen. All right, guys, thank you so much for touring this custom-built home in the heart of Winter Park. If you have any questions about this home or any other home in the Central Florida area, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help.